Hang a sponge on a tree and see what happens. My grandfather used this simple trick for years and never revealed his secret. Take a larger plastic bowl and pour in 1 liter of water. This will be the base of our mixture and will help the ingredients blend well. Measure out 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps regulate the pH and strengthens the effect of the solution. Add it to the bowl and stir gently. Then add 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, which releases a strong aroma that affects the surrounding area and helps repel insects. The next ingredient is ground cinnamon. Add 1 tablespoon. Its intense scent complements the mixture and boosts its effectiveness. Mix everything thoroughly until you get an even solution. Prepare a regular cleaning sponge, which absorbs water well and allows the mixture to be released evenly. Dip it into the prepared solution and soak it thoroughly. Take the sponge out and gently squeeze out the excess liquid with your hands so it does not drip. Take a piece of string and tie it to one side of the sponge, then to the other. This will make the sponge stable and easy to hang. Now you can hang the prepared sponge on a tree. I hang the sponge on a tree so the aroma of the mixture can gradually protect the plants and repel insects. The scent slowly spreads around the plants, helps keep insects away, and supports keeping the garden in good condition throughout the season. It is worth hanging a sponge like this near fruit trees, bushes, or garden beds. From time to time, you can soak it again in the same mixture to keep the scent strong and make it work for as long as possible. Get rid of ants and cockroaches in 1 minute for good. All you need is a lid. The first ingredient is sugar, a perfect bait. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the lid. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which repels insects. Mix everything well. Now just sprinkle the mixture, and the insects won't bother you anymore. Enjoy a home and garden free of pests. Place this near your door, and mice will start avoiding that area. Take a larger plate, then add flour. Its smell attracts rodents, which is why it's often used in these types of mixtures. Add 1 tablespoon. Now add sugar. Sugar has a strong scent and makes the mixture even more attractive to rats and mice. Add 1 tablespoon. The last ingredient is baking soda. This is what makes the mixture work on rodents. Add 1 tablespoon. Mix everything well. This is a simple, natural way to deal with mice. Now take a smaller bowl and transfer some of the prepared mixture into it. Place it where rats or mice may appear. The best spots are near the entrance to the house, by trash bins, or next to balcony doors. These are places rodents most often use to try to get inside. In this way, you can help prevent mice from entering your home. You can reduce their presence near doors and other entry points. Over time, you may notice that rodents begin avoiding these areas. Spray a little bundle of aluminum foil with hairspray and place it by the door. I promise you, mice won't come near it. If you don't know how to repel mice, here's one of the best methods. Mice can show up in any home, especially if there's a garden nearby. It's best to prepare something that keeps them away from a distance. Mice hate a few things, so we'll make a homemade repellent from them. Get some cayenne pepper. Put a small amount in a bowl. Add some cloves. Mice hate the smell of these 2 spices. Drizzle them with peppermint oil, another scent mice can't stand. Lay out a piece of aluminum foil and transfer the mix onto it. Wrap it into a small bundle. To let the scent escape, poke holes in the foil with a toothpick, or don't seal it too tightly. Mice also strangely dislike aluminum foil. Finally, spray the whole bundle with hairspray. Ingredients in hairspray have a scent that effectively repels many pests. Just place the bundle by a door, window, or near your food waste bin. This mix combines several proven ways to repel mice, making it extra effective. Rats and mice will avoid your home. You don't need to buy harmful traps. This method will protect your house from unwanted rodents. Grab a lemon, specifically its peel. Its strong aroma makes it perfect for this trick. Cut it into small cubes and place them in a glass container, like a jar. Next, take about 3 cloves of garlic. Peel them and chop them finely. Add the chopped garlic to the jar with the lemon. Mice also dislike the smell of coffee, so add a tablespoon of ground coffee to the jar. Another key ingredient is a handful of cloves, known for their strong scent that repels mice and some insects. Pour vinegar over all the ingredients. Let the mixture sit for 48 hours, allowing everything to intensify its effects. After that, strain the mixture and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Now, simply spray around the entrance of your home. This is the best natural repellent that will surely keep mice away from your property. You've never used cotton pads like this before. They'll make your problem disappear. Grab a medium-sized plastic plate and cover it with cotton pads. These pads absorb liquids. By using this simple solution, you'll avoid harsh chemicals and keep your space pest-free. Next, pour vinegar over them, a natural repellent. Add oil to each pad. Olive oil or essential oil works too. This enhances the vinegar's effect. Sprinkle a pinch of red pepper on each pad and don't forget ground black pepper, a product rodents avoid. This mix has a strong scent that repels pests. You can also place them near windows and doors to create a barrier that mice won't want to cross. Place these traps in areas prone to rodents, like basements or garages. Replace every few days to keep them effective. This method is safe, non-toxic, and easy to prepare with common household items. Leave it by the door. You'll get rid of the problem and your home will be safe. For this trick, you'll need a few lemons. Cut the lemons in half, then squeeze the juice from all of them. Next, take a few jar lids and place a lemon half on each one. Make sure to cut off the ends of the lemons so they lay flat. Pour a little olive oil, or regular oil, into each lemon peel. Add a few drops of essential oil that is an effective mouse repellent. Then, prepare a mortar and pestle and grind some coarse black pepper. Add a little of it to each lemon. Mix the ingredients well inside the lemon. This mixture will not only help keep rodents away, but will also freshen up the air inside your home, effectively fighting off unwanted guests. The essential oils in the lemons have a strong scent that can irritate a mouse's sense of smell, discouraging them from staying in specific areas. That's why it's best to leave such a lemon lid by the front door. Regular use of this method can help prevent mice and rats from entering your space. Mice and rats run the moment they get close to this. My home is rodent-free, and you don't need to buy any store-bought traps. Grab a whole head of garlic. It has a strong smell that lingers for a long time and works as a natural repellent. Next, take regular wooden toothpicks you probably already have at home. Start sticking them into the garlic one by one. Use a lot of them. The best way is to push toothpicks into each clove from every side. It's a completely natural solution that won't harm plants, pets, or the soil. Wait a few minutes, but that's not all. You can make it even stronger. Take a bowl and pour in about 7 fluid ounces of water. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon because it has a sharp, irritating scent that works as an extra deterrent. Mix everything well until it's combined. Now just pour this over the garlic. The liquid spreads the smell around the garlic and the area nearby, making it work even better. Cinnamon and garlic together create an intense scent barrier that mice and rats can't stand. Place these garlic spikes near entry points, in the basement, along the walls, in the garage, or anywhere you've seen rodent activity. They'll smell it and avoid those areas completely. With this, they stop coming back, and now you know how to drive rodents out of your home quickly and naturally.